warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in a second meeting in science subject. Okay, Soleh Soleha, for now, for today, you can open your book page number 86. 86, that's about can a magnet pull or attract all materials, like in little explanation in last week, in last meeting, about the what the all of the materials can attract by a magnet or not. Yeah, and this you can look this picture, and I think I have to give you instruction for preparing some of the materials, like a ruler or wooden ruler. If you it don't have, you can using plastic ruler, plastic bottle, rubber razor, a wire, and in others materials you can found in your home. um, and but before Soleha, you must be now, we have a some of the term in our material for this meeting about the uh, magnet magnetic materials. Magnetic materials, magnetic materials, it's mean the all of the materials can attract by a magnet. Ya, semua benda yang bisa ditarik oleh magnet, we can say a magnetic materials, like steel can, steel spoon, steel safety pin, and iron thumbtack. This actually we must be guess, we must be use do a simple experiment. Yeah, and I will explain more about the magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. But before it is okay, I will continue. And then this magnetic force of attraction, gaya tarik magnet. And we can say that definition from magnetic force of attraction is the pull of magnets on magnetic materials. We can call magnetic force of attraction. And a magnet can attract a magnetic materials without touch it. Yeah, without touching it. And then let's continue about that our materials. These magnets cannot attract, ya, tidak bisa ditarik oleh magnet. This we can call non-magnetic materials, atau bahan bukan magnet, ya, atau benda yang tidak dapat ditarik oleh magnet. And most of the materials about the non-magnetic, here are some objects made of non-magnetic materials, and I will open it. That's our worksheet. Yeah, you can take it your worksheet. Okay, this is the our worksheet. Yeah, Soleha, please open your worksheet about are all metals attracted by a magnets. But this instruction work in groups. But this I think you is do it one by one. It's not in groups. Yeah, one by one. This suggests a question that can be tested to find out whether Tom and Raj is right. Write it down on the next page. Yeah, here it's if I open it. Please suggest, berikan pertanyaan here of to you about your opinion about your suggest about what you want to asking her, right here. And then next, discuss, you can discuss with your friends in via Zoom, yeah, or if you want to do it by yourself, it is okay. and write down a plan to test the question. You may follow the steps to help you plan your investigation. For the step one is write down the steps to be carried out. It should include what you have to observe and in what form you will record your observation. And the first step has been written for you. And then next, decide what to observe. And you may use a table to record your observation. Yeah, you can make it the table, make it the table for record your observation, membuat tabel. And then part C is decide what material you will need for the investigation. And then show your plan to your teachers, make changes to your plan if needed, and carry out your plans and record your observation. Like this. Uh, this you can write here your question, uh, what you want to write here. You can give the example question like all of what the all of the materials can attract by a magnet, like that. Yeah, you can make it the question here. And then your materials, like Ustazah give you instruction, you must be preparing like wooden ruler, rubber, razor, and wire, and in others. You can write here the about our materials we want to observe. And then for the step one, this collect objects that are made different metals, such as a copper wire, an aluminum can, and steel paper clip, and iron nail. It's okay, up to you. Yeah, up to you. And then you can make it the for how about the observation. For the observation, make it the table here, like here. If I want to write here, maybe you can make it the table here. Yeah, make it the table here, like this is the number for number for the number. And then you can write here some of your materials you use. And then materials, then this you can write tick or sign. Ya, bisa di checklist atau disilang. This is you can write, this is the a trick. You can write a trick or not. Yeah, this is a trick. I'm sorry, this is so very bad. I don't know what I did here. Or not. For example, if I give you example, or not. I'm sorry, it's so very long. This for number one. For example, this is such as a copper wire. Copper wire, yeah, copper wire here. I write copper wire here. Copper and then if you say copper wire, how to guess, Ustazah, how to answer it? Please observation before. You can take it your magnet and then you near didekatkan your copper wire and your magnet. That is the attract or not. If you from your observation attract, you can tick. If or it's not, you can sign. Yeah, like that. Like this you can continue. This is based on of your how many your materials you observe. And then for the next is from your observation, conclude. Conclude whether all metals can be attracted by a magnet. Yeah, conclude whether all metals can be attracted by a magnet. You make it the conclusion atau kesimpulan based on your observation. Soleh-soleha. Okay, for more information you can asking to Ustazah, and inshallah we meet via Zoom inshallah. And that's, I think that's all of our my explanation about the second meeting in science. Okay, I say thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.